Words are powerful. They can create or they can destroy. So choose your words wisely. Today, I want to talk about 15 smart words, their English and Urdu meaning, synonyms, and how to use each of the word in a sentence, and a secret tip. Let's get started with the vocabulary lesson. True blue. True blue, someone who is completely faithful, honest, genuine, and loyal. In a sentence, it can be used like this. Jim was a true blue and genuine guy who always spoke from the heart. सच्चा, साबित कदम और ईमानदार. Surreal, unreal, unbelievable, fantastic. In a sentence, it can be used like this. Walking through the latest science museum is like a surreal experiment. गैर हकीकी, नाकाबिल यकीन, या ऐसी बात जिस पर यकीन ना आता हो, ख्वाब की तरह. The word obtuse has two different meanings. It is commonly used for an angle that is greater than 90 and is smaller than 180 degree. The same word obtuse is used for a person who is slow to understand or dim-witted. Obtuse is a smart word. In place of obtuse, usually dumb and unintelligent are used by the foreign speakers. If we say Jim listens to a joke but doesn't understand the punchline, it means Jim is an obtuse man. यानी नादान, नासमझ या कम अक्ल. Edutainment. Edutainment. Entertainment that is intended to be educational. For example, English Urdish is an entertainment channel. तालीमी और तफरीही प्रोग्राम, या ऐसा प्रोग्राम जिसमें तालीम के साथ साथ तफरीह या फ़न भी हो, एंटरटेनमेंट भी हो. Haphazard, lacking any obvious principle of organization, or disorganized. In a sentence, it can be used like this. I need a closet organizer to help me fix my haphazard mess of clothing. बेतरतीबी या बेसलीका. Cynosure. Cynosure, something that strongly attracts attention and admiration. For example, she was the cynosure of all eyes. मरकज़े निगाह या तवज्जो का मरकज़. Bombastic. Bombastic, high sounding but with little meaning. Or in other words, you can say inflated. In a sentence, it can be used like this. She's a bombastic teacher. उर्दू में कहेंगे लफ़ाज़ी से मुताल्लिक़, या जिसके अल्फाज बहुत बड़े बड़े हों, छोटी सी बात को समझाने के लिए. Requisite, something that's made necessary by particular circumstances or regulations. In a sentence, it can be used like this. She lacked the requisite skills for the job. यानी उसमें इस जॉब को करने के लिए मतलूबा महारत की कमी थी. Peacocking, acting flashy to attract people. Peacocking is something men do to highlight their strong points and stand out from their competition. For example, he peacocks so much he could give Ruth a complex. यानी कोई शख्स इस हद तक बढ़ चढ़ कर बोले कि दूसरा कॉम्प्लेक्स का शिकार होने लगे. Barefaced. Barefaced, shameless, bold, clear-cut, obvious, or straightforward. In a sentence it can be used like this: He was the most barefaced liar I'd ever seen. यानी झिझक ना रखने वाला शख्स. Greenhorn, an inexperienced person, beginner or a freshman. She was a greenhorn when came to teaching. ना तजुर्बेकार या जिसके पास तजुर्बा ना हो पहले से. Sluggish, sluggish, slow moving, inactive, slow to respond or make progress. The car had been sluggish all morning. काहिल, सुस्त या बहुत ही धीमी रफ्तार से काम करने वाला. Suave, charming, confident, and elegant. Typically, this word is used for a man. For example, he looks pretty suave, slightly sophisticated. यानी खुश खल्क, लतीफ़, शीरी. Swamped. Swamped means drowning, sinked, deluged. If someone requests you for a dinner with her, you can informally say, I'm so sorry, I'm swamped with the work. यानी मैं काम में हद से ज़्यादा मसरूफ़ हूँ या काम में फंसा हुआ हूँ. Time server. A person whose behavior is adjusted to the pattern of the times or to please superiors. In place of time server, these words can be used: acrobat, chameleon, opportunist. Children may sometimes be time server. उर्दू में से कहेंगे मौका परस्त या वक्ती पुजारी. Now, this is the time to disclose a secret tip. If you use it, you can really build up your vocabulary and confidence of speaking good words in your daily chit-chat. The secret tip is to use only one smart word in a sentence. Using more than one smart word can often confuse you and your listener, but when you use only one smart word, it might give you more confidence and fluency as well. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you won't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my effort.